Hello everyone, we are going to be unboxing the Asus ROG Phone 5 Ultimate for you today. This phone just launched in India and is priced at Rs 79,999, which undoubtedly is slightly on the higher side. But not every phone comes with 18 GB of RAM, which is where this Ultimate Edition comes in. Opening this monolith-shaped box, we get to see some comic panels of Akira, which is a character in the ROG saga. On the right side, we have the phone itself. Let me just unpack this quickly and keep it aside for now. Next, we have the Aero Active Cooler 5, which snaps on the back of the phone. Inside the box, we also get the 30-watt hypercharge adapter and a Type-C to Type-C cable to go along. Next, we have some ROG stickers, paperwork, and the ROG Aero Case Frosted White Edition, which gives a nice look to this phone. Now, you remember the comic panels we just saw as we opened the box? Those are actually AR activated. So let's take a look at those comic panels getting alive. So that was the unboxing of the ROG Phone 5 Ultimate. Thanks for watching.